In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple rating system using Google Forms. This is an ideal way to gather feedback efficiently and effectively, whether for a school project, business evaluation, or gauging customer satisfaction. Let's dive right into it. First, begin by navigating to Google Forms. For this demonstration, I've already created a form and named it Rate Us. If you haven't done this already, take a moment to log into your Google account and start a new form. Once you're on your form, you'll notice a blank template which you can name and customize as per your needs. Next, create the question you'd like participants to respond to. In this example, let's use the question, "How would you rate our service?" It's important to keep your question straightforward and precise to ensure clear responses. Once your question is ready, you'll want to present the answers as a drop-down menu, so click on the drop-down option to adjust the type of response you're looking for. A drop-down menu is a great way to offer multiple choices without overwhelming the form visually. Following the drop-down menu selection, you'll want to change the type of answer scale to a linear one. So go ahead and click on Linear Scale. This allows respondents to rate on a numerical scale, which is both intuitive and easy for them to understand. Now, decide on the scale's range. This could be anything that suits your question context, but for this example, we'll set it from 1 to 10. This provides a broad scope for rating, allowing respondents to express nuanced opinions. A broader scale, like 1 to 10, is useful for diving deeper into details respondents might want to share. Once your scale is set, it's time to preview how it will appear to your audience. Click on the eye icon located in the form's top right corner. This opens up a preview of your form, allowing you to see exactly what your respondents will experience when they interact with it. Finally, test out your form. Click through it as if you were a respondent, answer the question, and submit the form to ensure everything works smoothly. Testing is a crucial step because it helps you catch any issues that might interrupt the feedback process, thereby ensuring data accuracy and usability of the form. And there you have it. You now have a fully functioning Google form ready to collect response data. Just share the link with your intended audience and let the feedback roll in. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you gather insightful feedback efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this information helpful.